Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, very exciting news actually brought to you by bestofvino.com. Check them out, very good website, brings you best prepaid news out there. And I also like to share my thoughts on this and read the article to you guys. And like I said, give you my opinion about this. And some warnings and all that good stuff too. But let's say Straight Talk, of course, Straight Talk uses Verizon's network. They used to use as well AT&T and T-Mobile, but they primarily now use Verizon's network since it's under the TracFone umbrella and Verizon did buy them out. But it says Straight Talk introduces $25 a month BYOD unlimited plan exclusively at Walmart. Of course, Straight Talk has always been exclusively available at Walmart. And that's their go-to basically outlet to bring these phone plans and phones to you. So it says chill and save for back to school. Of course, back to school is, I would say, less than 20 days away. It says the school shopping season is heating up. Visit a Straight Talk ice cream event and cool down for free at your local Walmart. Want even cooler? Get real unlimited data for only $25 a month. Sounds great and enticing. So let's get into it and see what that has to do. So says, thanks to a tip from Dennis Bornick from a prepaid compare.net, Best Thing We Know has learned that Straight Talk Wireless has introduced a new unlimited data plan for $25 a month, guys. This plan is, of course, exclusive at Walmart since Walmart is the exclusive distributor of Straight Talk. Of course, and there's a Walmart basically everywhere. So it says both online and in store. So you can get this deal online or in store. Most people probably want to go in store to get help pairing it up and all that stuff. But it says it is only for bring your own phone. So you cannot buy a new device. You have to have your own phone and basically take it in there. And as long as it's unlocked, it'll work, of course. And the SIM kit and plan is $29.88 plus taxes. It says the plan comes with a limited talk, text, and high-speed 5G data. Let's say we'll talk about some of the caveats or some of the things that it doesn't come with. It does have a few things to be aware of. Of course, customers on the plan will not be allowed to switch to another phone during the year. So that's weird. So I guess you cannot get another phone or switch to another phone for a whole year. You have to keep that plan with you. But this kind of gives me the question of what happens if your phone breaks. Will it not let you switch? Like, do you have to change your plan? Most likely you can switch your phone, but you'll have to change the plan or you'll lose the discount on that plan. They also have to have autopay billing set up and be a part of Straight Talk's loyalty rewards program. After a year of service, customers will be eligible for a $200 credit to upgrade their phone. It's pretty cool. So after a year, they'll just give you $200 credit. You can use that to buy another phone. Of course, with Straight Talk being a prepaid, oh my God, brand, you have to buy the phones outright unless you do like some financing with some high interest rates and stuff like that. But it says the $25 BYOP or bring your own phone unlimited plan does not include hotspot data. So there's no hotspot, of course. This reminds me of a lot of $25 plans. It says, so no hotspot. It does not have 5G ultra wideband connectivity. And remember, without 5G ultra wideband support, you will not be able to get the fastest data speeds possible on Verizon's network because you have to have the plan, and two, you have to have a compatible device. So even if you have the newest Samsung or iPhone and it's 5G ultra wide compatible, the plan will not give you access to that. So just know that. But also remember, 5G ultra wideband is very limited to the areas that it is available. But I have it on my phone, and it is nice that it's a lot faster. It does connect most of the times. So it says, given a lack of 5G ultra wideband connectivity, the plan is also certainly deprioritized. So a deprioritized plan means that during times of congestion, your speeds will be slowed down. So you're going to get not priority, you're going to get bottom priority. So if there's a lot of people in the network, let's say you go to a concert or a sporting event or just the mall, and there's a lot of people in your city, your speeds will be really slow compared to someone else that's paying premium data. It says other customers on the Verizon network who have a plan with premium priority data will have faster speeds, of course, and video. It's going to be capped at 480p. So yes, you can get unlimited data for $25 a month, but there's no 5G ultra wideband connectivity, no hotspot, no priority data, which actually for me, the big things is going to be priority data and video streaming quality. Since I watch a lot of videos on my phone, a lot of YouTube, a lot of anime, I need, sometimes I'm not on Wi-Fi. So of course, if you're on Wi-Fi, you can, bump up to 4K, but like I said, when you're not on Wi-Fi, you're on lunch break in your car or something, you want to watch something, you're gonna be capped at 480p, which for me it's not really worth it. I like the high quality. So you want to have a good phone with a high screen resolution, and it's kept at 480p. It's not gonna look that good. So it says Straight Talk has a new $25 BYOP plan loading for new customers. So there it is. It says real unlimited data, straight savings, bring your own phone for $25 a month plus $488 one time. So basically it's $25 plus $488 for the SIM card every month for one line unlimited data, talk, and text. So pretty cool. It says of course, like $25 is a big deal. Like Visible Wireless, I believe, also offers $25 limited plan, and it's kind of close to what this plan offers, minus, I believe, you can't switch your phone and $200 switch your credit. But since the plan is a big deal for Straight Talk and is an important price point between carrier-owned prepaid brands, which of course this price will heat up the competition, especially for back-to-school shoppers, since school, like I said, is around the corner. You want competition. You want strong competition from other carriers. So that is very nice. Every carrier-owned prepaid brand is now offering at least one limited plan for $25 a month for single lines. This is also the first $25 limited plan from a Verizon-owned brand to have a national retail physical store presence. So yes, you might say, well, what do you mean first time Verizon-owned? Visible Wireless is owned by them, but remember, this is saying at a national retail physical store, which, aka Walmart. It offers some competition to Metro by T-Mobile, who also offers a $25 BYOP unlimited plan in stores. Of course, some stores do have Metro, but they might not be available in a Walmart, but at a physical store, yes. So some of you reading this are likely asking, what's the point of this plan where you can get a very similar plan? Oh, look at that. I was just talking about Visible. So they're saying, why get the Straight Talk plan when you can get Visible, which I honestly think Visible is a little bit better, but Says to start, this is a plan marketed towards in-store shoppers. So that's another thing, is there's a lot of people that are not tech savvy or can't do it yourself. If you want to go to a store, now remember, Walmart's not the most tech savvy place. If you go to Walmart, just know you're probably going to get limited help trying to set up your phone or the plan. So it says this is more for in-store shoppers. Someone who will walk and display and see it. And of course, Walmart's, they attract a lot of foot traffic, so it's going to attract a lot more people. So of course, I believe this will be more popular than a Visible plan. So, and then of course, they'll have some retail associates pitch it to them and tell them, hey, why not get it? It also offers a physical location for someone to go if they need help, which good luck with that. Visible is not sold in stores, giving it less exposure to the public and no physical location to go for help. That's true, everything's online. Says informed shoppers, though, will recognize that Visible offers a better unlimited plan deal for most. Visible's plan includes taxes and fees, being a cheaper offering than Straight Talk's. Visible plan also includes calling and texting to Mexico and Canada. Sometimes that Straight Talk's offering appears to lack. So, of course, Straight Talk does not give you a Mexico and Canada. Visible base unlimited plan is also currently available at a discount. Customers can get the plan as $20 a month for 2 years for signing up. So, wow. Overall, like I said, I personally think this is a good plan for someone that, is less tech savvy, maybe someone's parents or grandparents, or you just want, you don't want to deal with waiting for a SIM card to come in. You can just go physical to a store, get it, and maybe let the rep there try their best to help you set it up. This is the way to go. But like I said, I would definitely say look into Visible Wireless or US Mobile. Those two are more on the, I recommend those. You know what I mean? So yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, but let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this something that interests you? Is this something you would try out? Are you paying a lot more? And probably you are, than $25 a month. But remember, there are little asterisks there of some things that you won't get with this plan. So if everything else is great, check it out. Go to your local Walmart and pick this plan up. Try it. Remember, it has to be a BYOD phone, so it has to be your own device. Cannot be a phone you bought from there plus a plan. So yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Check out the description below for a lot more help with or if you have any questions, check it out. Thanks so much.